Okay, welcome back for the second part of this one. Sorry, I was drawing a complete blank there. Did some poking around and found it's actually a really easy solution. So we'll go back to Unity here and go back to our code. We don't need a yield at all, so it's just break. So if we do a break here, this is going to break out of the whole for each loop, but it'll keep the rest of it going. So it'll keep our counter and everything going. So let's do a quick run of our game. And we'll test this out. It's going to destroy most of them. I think the speed for a first level seems pretty decent now. Okay, so we lost 2. 1 was rebuilt. Next round starts. Okay, so that's perfect. What we got to do now is make it so it works every time. So here, what we got to do is put how many cities recovered plus. And then here, what we're going to want to actually do is we're going to do if score divided by 10,000 is greater than how many cities recovered. I believe this should do it. So if we're under 10,000, it's going to be less than 1. As soon as we hit 1,000, it'll be 1. And then we won't get it to the next time. So I believe that should be right. So I'm just going to try the initial one. We'll make sure this one still works. And we got some kind of weird bug there. Might have to do some digging into that. Let's try this again. I think it's not counting the missiles that split properly. You know what? I don't think we actually added to the counter, so I'll check that right away after this. Okay, so we got 1 destroyed. Okay, and it added 1 back, so that looks good. Let's go check our code here. Oh, no, we did add the missiles left in round. So I'm going to poke into that and do some play testing with it. I'm going to close this video here because we do have our city builder working, and I'll figure out what's going on with this bug.